Hello students, good morning. Standard 6 subject Social Science workbook based on NCERT syllabus part 1. Chapter 3 Ancient Towns and the Scriptute. Chapter एक्सप्लेनेशन क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखवाने पहले आपको बाद में करती हूँ. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 1 or 2 सेंटेंसेस. वर्कबुक का पहले करा रही हूँ, बाद में टेक्स्ट बुक का कराऊंगी. फर्स्ट नंबर, सेकंड नंबर देखो उसके नीचे ही है. इन विच कंट्रीज आर द ग्रेट सिविलाइजेशंस ऑफ ह्यूमन सोसाइटी एग्जिबिटेड. द ग्रेट सिविलाइजेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन सोसाइटी आर एग्जिबिटेड इन द कंट्री लाइक इजिप्ट, मेसोपोटामिया, इंडिया, चाइना, रोम, एक्सेट्रा. Which places are included in the Harappan civilization? The places like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholvira, Kalibangan, Rakhigandy, etc. are included in the Harappa civilization. Where were the houses in Harappa civilization constructed? Why? The houses in Harappa civilization were constructed on a high platform to get protection from the floods or dampness. नंबर लिखे मैंने बाजू में, वो देखना. थर्ड नंबर का है. How were the streets organized in the Harappa civilization? The streets were organized in the Harappa civilization in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into squares and rectangle sections. What was the most important features of the Harappa civilization? Organized town planning was the most important features of the Harappa civilization. 6 number, why is the Indus Valley civilization called the biggest city culture? There were 2 big cities, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, in Indus Valley civilizations, thus it is called the biggest city culture. From which town have the remains of the public bath been found? The remains of public bath have been found from the Mohenjo-daro. How was the town planning of the Indus Valley civilization? The town planning of the Indus Valley civilization was well organized, well engineered, well planned and efficient. Why can't it be said that Lothal must have been a prosperous port of the Indus Valley civilization? Due to a big dockyard found here, it can be assumed that the ships arrived here were used for loading and unloading of goods. From this, it can be said that Lothal must have been purposed port of Indus Valley civilization. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. क्वेश्चन को रीड करना, आफ्टर उसके नीचे आंसर लिखना, ऐसे ही कॉपी मत करते जाना। क्वेश्चन पढ़ो उसके बाद आंसर लिखो। Ten. Where is the archaeological site Harappa located? The archaeological site Harappa is located in Montgomery district of Punjab, currently in Pakistan. What is the main feature of Harappa town? The main feature of Harappa town is it grandly. About 12 grain stores have been found at the river bank of Ravi. 12 number. Which evidence of the Lothal being a port has been found? A structure made from bricks has been found in Lothal. It is believed as dockyard that is the evidence of Lothal as a port. What were the main specialties of the Dhulavira town? The main specialties to Dhulavira town were the rainwater harvesting system and stadium, on the basis of which remains can it be said that Kalibangal was the headquarter of agriculture revolution. The remains of the farms and copper residue have been found in the Kalibangal. It proves that Kalibangal was the headquarter of agriculture revolution. 1516. Of what things is town planning of the Indus Valley civilization a wonderful revelation? The town planning of the Indus Valley civilization is a wonderful revelation of the governing power of the ruling elite, intelligence of the engineers, and the craftsmanship of the craftsmen, which things were included in the food of the people of Indus Valley civilization. Things like wheat, barley, millet, peas, sesame, dates, milk products, fish, etc. were included in the food of the people of the Indus Valley civilization. 17 number. What kind of clothes did the men of Indus Valley civilization wear? The men of Indus Valley civilization wore two clothes. They wore a cloth similar to dhoti on their waist and wrapped a short cloth on the upper part which came down from the shoulder. Fifteen, 16, 17. एटीन 19 बाद में 20. Which toys had the people of Indus Valley civilization made for their children? The people of Indus Valley civilization had made birds, ships, whistles, rattles, carriages, carts, marbles, animals, birds, and men, women shaped toy for their children. Twenty-one, 22. How many Vedas are there? Which are they? There are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda, and Atharva Veda. Which information of the life of Aryans is found from the Rig Veda? Information about political, social, economic, and religious life of Aryans are found from the Rig Veda. The References of which political institutions have been found in Rigveda. The references of political institutions named Gana, Sabha and Samiti have been found in Rigveda. Which women scholars created the riches of the Rigveda? The women scholars like Apala, Lopamudra, Ghosha created the riches of the Rigveda. Which works did the Samiti source in Rigveda used to do? The Samiti source in Rigveda used to discuss the important questions of the state and give justice. It also elected the king. ओके तो वर्कबुक के हमारे 1 to 25 क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. बाकी का चैप्टर एक्सप्लेनेशन टेक्स्ट बुक की एक्सरसाइज और वर्कबुक की जो एक्सरसाइज बाकी है वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. Okay students, bye.